Vacu-Lug believes that for any manager responsible for a fleet of vehicles, irrespective of its size, having a system that can help with a myriad of red tape and compliance is a must. We think it's vital our customers should be able to access their fleet data whenever and wherever they need it. That's why we've developed VMS Mobile, a new tyre management app to summarise individual vehicle information held within VMS Online, our bespoke tyre management system. Imagine you are walking in your yard and you spot a vehicle that you feel requires further investigation. Just open the vehicle history within VMS Mobile, type in the registration number, tap Find and select the arrow next to Last Inspection. This takes you straight to a schematic of the vehicle, giving you the date of the latest check and the specifics of every tyre at each wheel position, including any work that was noted as being required at this time. VMS Mobile is fast becoming an essential operator tool for vehicle monitoring and compliance. Available for both Android and Apple devices, VMS Mobile can be downloaded from either the Google Play or Apple's App Store. Simply log in using the same credentials you use when logging on to VMS Online. To access your vehicle history, select the category Vehicle History, the first option on the menu screen. To view details about a specific vehicle, trailer or machine within your fleet, simply tap the arrow to the side of the customer drop-down menu. You will only have access to your own customer accounts. Tapping the arrow will display a list of all contract locations associated with you, the customer. Next, you can select a specific location by selecting the arrow to the side of the contract drop-down menu. This will display a list of all the contract locations associated with your company's Vacu-Lug tyre management account. To select a particular location, just tap the relevant contract name. The next step is to select a vehicle registration number using the third drop-down menu. This will return a list of all vehicles allocated to the selected location. For further detail on a particular vehicle, just tap on the vehicle registration number. Alternatively, if you know the full registration or fleet number, you can simply enter this into the box at the top of the screen. Whichever way you choose to select a vehicle, the next step is to tap Find at the bottom of the screen. You will then be taken to the selected vehicle's history, which includes the contract start and end date, the vehicle's configuration, and details of when the vehicle was last worked on. The end date will be blank unless the vehicle has been defleeted. Selecting the arrow next to Last Worked On will take you to a scrollable list of all the work ever undertaken on the vehicle. To go into a specific job in more detail, just tap the arrow in the grey circle to expand on the information shown. This screen shows the job sheet number, service provider and product fitment details, authorization numbers, work dates, tread depths, as well as the axle and wheel position worked on. As mentioned earlier, another major benefit of the VMS mobile app is that it also provides details of all recent fleet inspections. To view this detail, select the backwards icon at the top of the screen. Then select the arrow next to the Last Inspection field at the bottom of the screen. This will display a graphic showing the results of the most recent inspection performed on this vehicle. If you notice a tool icon is present on a tyre within the graphic, this is to advise you that during the inspection, work was identified as being necessary and should be carried out accordingly. Selecting the tool icon will display further details on the recommended action required. If you'd like to see previous inspections for the same vehicle, tapping the downward arrow at the bottom of the screen will take you through all previously recorded inspections. You may wish to examine when a specific wheel position on the selected vehicle was last worked on. This can be undertaken from the screen you are currently in. By simply tapping the tyre graphic of any wheel position visible, it will take you to the last job screen showing you details of the most recent work carried out on that wheel position. The first of its kind to be released in the industry, we have designed this app to make it even easier for our customers to keep a handle on vehicle inspections and work history from any location, whether they are in or out of the UK. In short, VMS Mobile provides fingertip management for compliance and fleet control, anytime and anywhere. If you have any questions or would like to see a demonstration of the app, please speak to a member of our team who will be happy to talk you through the features in more detail.